time permitting, for fun, we have this modern-only application provided for you here. This is an application that tracks the current position of the International Space Station. So what we've done here is provide on the first tab of a tab panel Google Maps display that tracks and animates the current position of the International Space Station with a ping file, with a graphic showing you the tail of the path of the International Space Station that updates every 3 seconds. There's a text field at the top there that when the International Space Station hovers over an area that is recorded by the Google Maps API, it will display the proper name of that location. Otherwise, it'll just give the longitude and the latitude of where it currently is. On the second tab here for passes, this will show, using a model on the individual records, managing the feed provided by an open feed for tracking where their current placement is of the space station. We can provide that information according to the user's current location. So these 5 passes in a 24-hour period reflect where the International Space Station will be in proximity to that end user. So it uses the geolocator to be able to do that. And the model is used to provide that information, not in a timestamp, but in a far more user-friendly way of displaying that information. The Astronauts tab will provide both the information of the current astronauts on the International Space Station, and if an image is available from a different feed, a Wikimedia feed, then we provide an image to correspond with having found that astronaut. So that's a fun one to do to implement just the Modern Toolkit as opposed to Earthquake's classic-only toolkit. I hope you've enjoyed this tour of the Sencha training material that we have for XJS. Please feel free to reach out with any questions you may have to training@sencha.com, and we look forward to seeing you in our next class.